You've probably tried a lot of AI tools. I know I have. Over the past 2 years, I've tested hundreds of them, and honestly, about 90% I never touched again. But 6 tools stuck. Not the flashy, hyped ones everyone talks about, the boring ones that actually get real work done. Today, I'm walking you through my full automation stack from research to execution so you can copy this exact workflow. Each tool is powerful on its own, but the real magic happens when you connect them, because once they're linked together, information flows smoothly from research to meetings to execution. Let's start with the biggest time drain, research. Most people still do it the old way. You open Google, click links, skim articles, piece things together. It's slow. That's where Perplexity AI comes in. Instead of giving you 10 blue links, it gives you clear answers with sources built in. When you open it, you'll see a search bar, but this isn't a normal search engine. It's a research assistant. For example, if I ask, what are the best ways to get more customers for a small online business? Perplexity reads multiple sources and delivers a clean, summarized answer with references you can verify. You can instantly see where the information came from. And if you want to go deeper, it suggests related questions right below the answer. One click, more research. There's also a sources tab at the top that shows every website it pulled from, which makes fact checking easy. If you upgrade to Pro, you unlock Pro Search, which uses more advanced AI models for deeper research. Another feature I use constantly is search filtering. Click the globe icon and you can narrow results to academic papers, Reddit discussions, financial filings, and more. Turn on only what you need, and your results get dramatically more relevant. You can even upload your own files and have Perplexity analyze them alongside web research. Perfect for comparing your internal data with external trends. But research is only half the battle. The next big problem, meetings. Someone says something important. You try to take notes while listening, and by the end, you've missed key details. That's exactly what Fireflies fixes. Fireflies automatically joins your meetings, records them, transcribes everything, and generates summaries with action items. Just sign up, connect your calendar, and it works in the background. It supports Google Calendar, Outlook, and most major platforms. After each meeting, you get a full summary, key topics, action items, a searchable transcript. This is huge because instead of digging through notes, if you're in sales, it's even more powerful. You can search objections across all your calls and see exactly how top performers handled them. Fireflies also lets you create sound bites. Highlight part of the transcript. Save the clip. Add it to playlists. I use this constantly for training and on. It also integrates with Slack, Notion, and CRMs, which becomes important in a minute. Because now we hit the next bottleneck. Moving data between apps. You get a lead by email. Copy it to your CRM, paste it into a spreadsheet, message your team. It's busy work. And this is where Zapier becomes your silent employee. Zapier connects your apps so data moves automatically. There are more technical tools out there like Make or N8N, but Zapier is built for non-developers. Simple, fast, practical inside Zapier. You create something called a zap. A zap has 2 parts. Trigger what starts the workflow action, what happens next. For example, new MailChimp subscriber gives automatically added to Google Sheets. Once it's turned on, the process runs forever in the background, Newman while work. You can also connect Zapier to Fireflies, so meeting notes flow directly into your project manager. The free plan gives you 100 tasks per month, which is enough to get started. Now your research is handled, your meetings are captured, your data moves automatically, but there's still one problem: time. You've got tasks, deadlines, meetings, and no clear plan for when the work actually gets done. That's where Motion comes in. Motion is an AI scheduler that automatically places your tasks into your calendar. You connect your calendar, add tasks with deadline, duration, priority, and Motion builds your schedule for you. It finds open time slots and assigns work automatically. Even better, if something changes, Motion reshuffles your schedule in real time. Meeting added. Motion adjusts task hoons long. Motion recalculates. You can also set work hours and breaks, so it respects your boundaries. At this point, you know what to work on and when. Now we make sure your output looks professional. That's where Grammarly comes in. Once you install the browser extension, it works everywhere you write. Email, docs, Slack, basically everywhere. It catches grammar mistakes automatically. But the real value is tone detection. If your message sounds too harsh, too casual, or unclear, Grammarly flags it. The Pro version adds the AI rewrite feature, which I use daily. Highlight any text, ask for a rewrite, get multiple tone options. Grammarly doesn't make you creative. It makes you competent. And in business, competence wins. But even perfect writing doesn't fix one final bottleneck: typing speed. Most people type around 40 words per minute. You can speak at 150. WhisperFlow closes that gap. It's an AI dictation tool that works across your entire computer. Hold the function key and speak. It doesn't just transcribe, it cleans up your speech in real time. If you stutter or repeat yourself, it fixes it automatically. It's also context aware. Slack message, casual formatting, email, professional formatting. The free plan gives you 2,000 words per week to test it. And once you experience the speed difference, it's hard to go back. When you combine these 6 tools, your workflow changes completely. But here's the part most people miss. Tools like Perplexity and Fireflies only work well if you know how to prompt properly. Most people get mediocre results because they ask mediocre questions. That's why I created a full prompting guide that shows you exactly how to get AI tools to do what you actually want. Click the video on screen and you'll never prompt wrong again.